Hi folks! How to do steps with side accents. Let's discuss it today. First, you need to learn how to walk correctly. Just step forward or back and put the other leg beside. Then try to add bounce to every step you do. Make your movements soft, bending knees. Repeat the same steps. When you learn these basic steps, you may add hip accents. This may be hip up push, hip down push, Maya, and any other accents you find appropriate here. If you don't know how to do hip pushers or Maya, please check links with these tutorials in the info box. When you do hip up pushers, you may use distinct manner with tensed muscles or relaxed. Depends on choreography and necessity. These accents you may use when going forward or back, as well as rotating. Subscribe to my channel, press the notification button not to miss my next videos. See ya!